Most of the people in the world knows that if you want to go for higher studies after bachelor's in science, you can do either MBA or MTech. But do you know we can also do PGD in law after BTech? Sounds interesting? Hi, I am Kokila. Today I am talking about this career if you are really passionate about the field, which touches almost all aspects of transactions and activities on and concerning the internet, the World Wide Web and cyberspace. With the advancement of information communication technology and the good amount of knowledge shared through internet has encouraged the techno-savvy young generation to indulge in cyber crimes. Its IT infrastructure is very much vulnerable to a wide range of attacks. As the cybercrime is borderless and very delicate to handle, it needs special tools and technology in order to prevent different types of cyber attacks and gather digital evidence without any kind of damage. So the purpose of cyber law is to protect and defend cyberspace from cyber theft. It encompasses laws relating to cyber crimes, electronic and digital signatures, intellectual property, data protection and privacy. Whatever you think in this digitalized world comes under cyber law, whether it's companies' computer networks and their valuable data in electronic form, government forms including income tax returns, company law forms are now filed in electronic form. Consumers are increasingly using credit cards for shopping. Everyone is using email, cell phones and SMS messages for communication. Even in non-cyber crime cases, important evidence is found in computers and cell phones. Maybe it's murder, kidnapping, organized crimes, terrorist operations. Since it touches all the aspects of transactions and activities on and concerning the internet, cyber law is extremely important. But why to make career in cyber law? The reason is industry is exponentially growing, salary is good, growth is easy. You can work in brand companies and you can always get international exposure. The duration of the course is 1 year. You can also do certification courses from different universities. There are various universities also who are providing integrated degree in LLB in cyber laws with BTech in computer science. After completing the course, one may get opportunities in various research and analysis wing, forensic labs, National Institute of Social Defense, Bureau of Police Research and Development, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, IB, NIA, CBI, NIC, and the list is really long. The professionals may work as cyber lawyer, legal advisor, cyber assistant, cyber consultant, and research assistant. Few professionals start their own law firms to teach students and start research on it. And you can get a handsome salary of 6 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum, and it depends on your experience in the field. Now I hope I am able to tell you that you can also choose this field, which has emerged as one of the demanding career field in the recent times. Stay safe and have a great family time. Bye-bye.